I do insurance, I should be MDRT. After I joined the business, I become an MDRT. So say to one another, if you do insurance, you should be MDRT. Not only to demonstrate the financial muscle of Prudential in claims, also the actual statistics. If one really has sickness, how much medical costs could be. And then I reminded them the concept of, you want $1 to solve $1 problem or $1 to solve $3 problem. Do you want to practice with me? You can use it in yourselves. Can we do it together? Do you want to use $1 to solve $1 problem or $1 to solve $3 problem? Yeah. Yeah. Empathy. Sometimes during the sales process, as I said, it's not just reasoning. We have to handle the feelings of the clients. So at that point, I held her hands and I said, I know it does not feel good to have loading or exclusions. If people trust you, they will share with you anything, even without you asking. The reason why I could stand here is because of what you have given to me.